Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to Vanivision. As I told you in my previous video about how to solve the square root problems in easily. Yeah. So, two examples I have taken. You can use that the same trick to follow the rest of the numbers also. Yeah. The first example is about, see, how to find out square root of 1600 plus root of 841. Yeah. And we are going to see about root over 2500 minus root over 144. Yeah. 144 into root over 25. Yeah. So this number we are going to solve these two numbers first. Clear? So first see, square root of 1600, how you are going to find out? As we have used trick, right? Make a rough column over there. Down I am making here. So in the rough column you have to find out the square root of the numbers. See, 1600, right? 0 square means 0. So we should know this, right? 0 square, 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, 6 square, 7 square, 8 square, 9 square. So 0, 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 36, 49, 64, 81. So probability of getting 0, 0 times. 0. Then cut it off 2 digits. Now 16 at how many times? What is the square? 16 is there at what square? The 16 answer is there for what square? It is what? 4. So what is your answer? 40. 40 plus. Now 841. Right? For this, same one probability of getting 1 as an answer. 199. Cut it off 2 now. 8, 9 is bigger than 8. So 4. So 2. It may be 21 or 29. So 21 or 29, to know whether which is an answer like 21 or 29, we should know 25 square first. So easy to find out 25 squares, right? So how to find out the squares of the 5s? I have done a video about it in my previous one. So even in the description box, a link of that number like 5 square is also there. Go through to that video, then you can easily get the answers for all the 5s like 25, 35, 45, 55, 65, 75, 85. Any number you can use it and you can do it. Yeah? You can see. 6 and 25 is our answer. Right? So that means 21 may not be the answer because if 25 square is only the bigger value, bigger than 21, right? See, 25 square is bigger. Smaller for this, right? 841 is our answer. The square should be of 841. But our 25 is what? 625. Which is smaller to this value. That means 21 square will be smaller than 25 square, right? 21 square will be smaller than 25 square. That means our answer may not be 21. So our answer will be 29. So your answer is 29. Then 69 is your answer. Over, right? Easy, right? Then next, here root of 2500. So 2500. How you will find out? Same again. Cut it off zeros. 0, 5s are. So your answer is 50. Minus. Keep the bracket like that only. Root of 144 is how much? It is 12. Root of 25 is 5. Right? Now 50 minus 12 5s are 60. Then 50 minus 60. So what will be your answer? 50 minus 60 is what? 10 actually, but the bigger number is having a sign of minus, so your answer is what? Minus 10. So in this way, we can solve a number of questions depending upon the root. So we'll be asking you the questions like this. Root over 1600 minus root over 125 into root over 173. Any more and more numbers you people take, number of examples you take and start practicing it. When we practice, right, we'll get a perfection in it. So, but a compulsory question in a competitive exams, maybe in any board of examination, compulsory question with the roots is compulsory. Clear? So, to know how to solve it, it will be easy for us. Right? So, I think so. Hope you all understood the concept, how we have done the problems. You can take number of examples of the same, different numbers. With this square root you take and you solve it. Then you'll understand the concept clearly. If you're having any doubts in it, then you comment to me. I'm here to help you out in solving your questions. Clear? Thank you. Stay tuned to Vanivision.